On today's episode of Georgia Plastic, we are doing a facelift today. So I actually enjoy doing a lot of facelifts, you know. We're doing a deep neck facelift. What that is we're going to take care of the neck and the face. We'll do some liposuction as needed, and then we'll do a whole bunch of stuff. So we'll show you some of the stuff in surgery, and then we'll also show you some of the before and after photos, and we'll post this afterwards. About 3 months after surgery, we'll show you the results. Okay, I can do it. I can do it. It's just a little thick. It doesn't glide as much as it's just very. It's okay. It's okay. Yeah. Anyway, so facelift, lipo of the neck, of the and then we're gonna lift things up. This is a subs mask. Put things up so she looks younger and enhanced. We're not changing her face. The idea of facelift is not to change who you are, but enhance who you are. Okay, that's it.